Before you build, there is a legal duty. The Party Wall Act protects both you and your neighbors. Belentino Party Wall services, expert notices, surveys, and awards for every project. The Party Wall, etc. Act 1996 applies whenever building work affects a shared wall, boundary, or excavation near an adjoining property. It is a legal requirement, not an optional step. Failure to serve correct notices can lead to injunctions, delays, and legal costs. Our Party Wall service ensures full compliance from the first notice to the final award. Party Wall notices are required in 3 situations. Section 1. Building on or at the line of junction between 2 properties. Section 2. Work to an existing party wall or party structure. Section 6. Excavating within 3 or 6 meters of an adjoining building, depending on the depth. Most extensions, loft conversions, and basement projects trigger at least one section. The notice process begins at least 2 months before work starts. We prepare and serve all required notices, including line of junction notices, party structure notices, and adjacent excavation notices. Each notice specifies the proposed works, start date, and the adjoining owner's right to consent or dissent. If an adjoining owner dissents, the dispute is resolved through the appointment of party wall surveyors. We act as the building owner's surveyor and work with the adjoining owner's surveyor to prepare a party wall award. The award records the condition of the adjoining property, the permitted works, and any protective measures. A schedule of condition records the existing state of the adjoining property before work begins. Photographic and written documentation of walls, ceilings, floors, and any existing defects. This record protects both parties, the building owner against false claims, and the adjoining owner against genuine damage. The Party Wall Award is a legally binding document. It sets out the works permitted, working hours, access arrangements, protective measures, and the process for resolving any damage claims. We draft awards that are thorough, fair, and compliant with current case law and established surveying practice. Managing the relationship with adjoining owners is as important as the legal process. We communicate clearly and professionally, explain rights and obligations, and resolve concerns before they become disputes. A well-managed party wall process protects your project timeline and your relationship with your neighbors. Party wall costs are typically borne by the building owner. Fees depend on the number of adjoining owners, the complexity of the works, and whether a surveyor appointment is required. We provide transparent fee proposals upfront. The process typically takes 4 to 8 weeks from first notice to agreed award. From Victorian terrace extensions to basement excavations, from loft conversions to boundary wall rebuilds, our party wall portfolio covers every scenario. Every project receives the same legal rigor and professional service. Beauty with intent. Value by design. Book your free party wall consultation at belentino.com.